Transform your dining experience with the sleek and functional stainless steel folding dining table designed to bring elegance and convenience to your home. Featuring a 12 mm thick tophaned glass top, this table offers unmatched durability and a clear, polished surface perfect for family dinners, gatherings, or everyday use. The tophaned glass not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also ensures safety and resilience, standing strong against the rigors of daily life. The stainless steel frame combines modern style with the practicality of a foldable design, making it easy to store or set up whenever needed. Ideal for compact spaces or when hosting guests, this table is the perfect blend of form and function. Accompanying the table are 4 stackable stainless steel chairs designed for both comfort and convenience. These chairs can be easily stacked and stored when not in use, saving you space without sacrificing style.